So this is how you access the Ideal Learning Library. So you just go into any session folder or unit folder and you click Add To. Then you come up to Library up here. And this will take you to the digital library, and you just scroll down to the Ideal Learning Library, click on it. Okay, and so here's everything that is available to you in the Ideal Learning Library. Let's say for American history, I want to get something, let's say from colonization to independence. Let's say I'm teaching about the first settlers, so I want to check out this one. So I hit select, and I just hit copy activity. And that'll put it directly into the folder. And then you just come up to the three dots here and hit preview, and we can see what I've got. Okay, so this seems to be a a lesson plan on the first settlers. So I can come up here and I can scroll through the pages, and sometimes they'll have great things like videos. You can check out this video. Okay, so yeah, so it's like great stuff about the first settlers, and you can continue to scroll through it and really check it out. Some of these are really great. I really love this stuff. Okay, so you can add these to any of your session folders, any of your unit folders, and as you know, you can also add them directly into your library by coming up here, clicking on My Library. And you can add it to your library here. And I'm just going to add it real quick. Okay, there it is. So now it's going to be sitting in my library. There it is. So now I can add this to multiple courses, not just the one. And that is the Ideal Learning Library.